If you've been seeing the news or social media recently, there's been a lot of worry and concern about the bird flu virus. But if you've been around for a while, you've probably also heard this concern about bird flu happen before. But right now, our concerns about it are beginning to spike again. So I figured today would be a good day to kind of walk through what's happening right now. Basically, the reason everyone's talking about it again is because 68 different people have gone down with the avian flu in North America, and unfortunately one of these people have passed away. The flu is labelled as the H1N5 or H5N1, hang on, H5N1, and this is basically the way that we can monitor different ones and how they get different mutations. There are currently two main variants of this bird flu that we're seeing a spike in. One is being spread by birds and one is obviously being spread by cows. As of now, we can't yet say whether the bird one is more dangerous than the cow one because we have such little data. 68 people sounds like a lot of people, but in reality, with regards to studying it and understanding where exactly it's come from, we don't even have answers on what animal COVID yet came from. And so we can't yet say the bird, obviously it's still the bird flu, but we can't yet say that it's the bird variant that's worse, that spreads to humans, or the cow variant. But data on this is likely to be published in the near future. Obviously, the main concern with the virus spreading to cows is that cows are a lot more closely related to humans than birds are. Obviously, birds aren't mammals, whereas cows are, and so if the virus has learned to get into cows and infect cow cells, then it's very likely to make that spill over back to humans. And so that's why you'll hear people in the news often talking about the cow variant of this virus. Obviously then, putting humans to one side for a second and viewing the world as a non-human-centric view, this is obviously going to wreak havoc on wild bird populations, and so an outbreak of this flu is going to be very damaging to potentially a lot of endangered species. So it's important that we control and monitor this, not only to keep humans safe, but also to keep birds safe.